Professor Cosmos. It's Professor Cosmos here. Just to let you know, today is a very exciting day. It's because just down there is a special surprise my mum and dad got me. Thanks to Claire, Ben and Elijah for giving me this amazing bracelet. I love it, thanks. Louis has got me a question.
Hi Professor Cosmos, I really enjoyed your videos. My question is, can you name any of the dwarf planets?
The names are Pluto, Eris, Makemake, Ceres. Oh, I think there's 5 actually. Should we see what's under there? I need to pull the blanket off. Look at that. It says discovering the solar system. Oh, look at this. You can make your own model planets. Oh my word. So let's see. Oh, hey, look at this. Shows you all of the planets. They easily pop out. Easy connect together. Also 3D. Pretty cool now. Oh wow, what is this? Oh, these are stickers then. Okay, this is another thing. Oh wow. Oh, this is the instruction. Do you think there's something on the back? It tells you all the distances on the planets. Look at this, guys. It says understanding the solar system. And there's another one saying exploring the solar system. Yeah. And I forgot to tell you that look at this. You can actually take it out, and these like the little figures to go with the model. Oh, this is where you this is where you build the model. This is how to make them. The sticks. And that's what the finished model looks like. So I'm gonna pop these planets out. Oh, already did. Mummy's gonna help me make them. I've got the instructions out. I've got everything ready. So guys, my mum is actually done this all by herself. This is the finished thing that you can put the planets on. So underneath, that's where you put the planets. You can put it on the desk. Let's see. Ooh. So what do you think of this? That is so cool. So, everyone, my mum has done amazing effort because she's made this. Now, it's not quite done yet. Do you know why? Because we have to make this. These. We have to put on these. What do you think? Got everything done. It's a bit wobbly. Look. It might just fall over. Boom. Say thanks for watching. Good to see you all. I'm planning to do lots of videos. Now, make sure to subscribe. I'm on YouTube, and you're all my shining stars. Bye.